Hey guys, so I'm here and I have this rechargeable bright headlamp. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys kind of what it comes with. So I have the bag with the little accessories. It comes with the rechargeable batteries themselves, more accessories for it. And then so it comes with two of the headlamps. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of show you guys how it works and explain it to you. So here we go. So this is one of the headlamps. This is what it looks like. And so how you wear it is you put it on like this and then it'll work like a light. And so I'm gonna kind of show you guys how easy it is to work here. So what you do is you gotta go like that. And then what you do is you pop this up. So you just push this open and then now we have the insides of it. And so you're gonna put the two batteries in, they both go the same way. So you just put them both in and then you close it. And then for charging it, it's super easy on the battery itself. And it comes with two of the cords. You just plug it in and then you can charge it. So you just plug it in and then charge it wherever you want. And so let me close this up and then let me kind of show you guys what it looks like. So there we go. On the back of them, it has the percent. It says 96%. And it has just the red line back here. And so this is just for the back. So when you put it on, you're gonna have it like this. You can adjust the cables, make it tighter. So there we go, now I have it tight on there. And then there's a little light, there's a button on top here, which will let you turn it on. And so it has different light settings. It has a few of them and strobe. So this is the bright, like white one. This is the little darker one. And then this is the strobe. So this is good. I mean, I like it. And this will be perfect if I'm going out in the dark and I need a headlamp for whatever reason. And it's nice because it has this little backlight too, so people can see you if you're somewhere and you want, people to see where you are. You have this little in the back here, and that'll shine as well. And it has the percent. So if you ever think, oh man, I'm low or something, you can just look at the percent and it'll tell you what it's at. So this is sweet. And this is perfect because it comes with one of them and then also has a second here. So you got two of them there, which is perfect for two of you. And this is just for holding the clamps on and stuff like that on the side. So these are perfect. I mean, I like it, and this would be a perfect headlamp for me, and I would give it a thumbs up.